Before you buy an expensive camera, try this trick to turn your smartphone into a pro live stream camera using vMix. Now let's go down to how this can be done step by step. Here is how to link your phone camera to your vMix. First of all, you head to your vMix software, open it up here. Then, for you to link your phone camera to your vMix, you need to first of all install the Iriun webcam application. Now, this webcam application needed to be installed both on your phone and on your PC. Now let's head over to our PC. Let's install it. You search for Iriun webcam. Then you click on enter. Then you can see this first one here. This is the software you use on your system to link the camera. You click on it, you open it up, then you click on download for Windows. You click on download for Windows, then you allow it to download. After downloading the files, you will go back, do the installation. Then when you do the installation, you also install the application on your phone as well. You go to Play Store. If you are using Android, if you are using iPhone, you go to App Store. So if you are an Android user, you go to Play Store. Search for Iriun webcam and download it. After downloading, open your phone hotspot. Connect your PC Wi-Fi to your phone hotspot. After connecting it, go over to your Iriun webcam application on your PC. Go over it on your PC. Here it is. Then you open it up. So when you open it up, wait for it to load. Then you also go over to your phone and open up the Iriun webcam on your phone as well. Go over to your phone and open it as well. And after opening it on your phone, you open it on your PC as well. Then you can see it showing on my PC right now. You can see it's showing. Now you head over to your vMix and then you click on add input. When you click on add input, wait for it to load. Then you click on camera. This camera, you click on, then you click on camera. Then you go over to Iriun. This is Iriun webcam. You can see Iriun webcam #2, Iriun webcam #3, Iriun webcam #4. Now, this indicates that you can add up to 4 phone camera. You can use up to 4 different phones on your vMix to stream your production. Now let's add the first one, Iriun webcam, which is this. You click on it, then you can mute the sound, none, then you click on OK. Now this automatically adds vMix. This automatically adds your phone camera to your vMix. You can see my phone view now. You can see the camera is showing. You can see it from here. You can see everything so neat and so easy. You can see I just switched to the front camera right now. You can see. So this is basically how to add your Iriun camera to your vMix. Now, if you are having a 2 phone and you want to add 2 phone camera, now let's take for instance you want to add dual cameras, like you're using a two different phone. All you need to do is to connect that second phone to the same internet and you are good to go. You connect that second phone to the same internet and you are good to go. If you are watching this video for the very first time, please do well to share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, as well as click on the notification bell so you receive the notification whenever we post new videos on this. Now, to connect your second camera, you go over to your second phone, connect your Wi-Fi to the same network. Connect your Wi-Fi to the same network. After connecting your Wi-Fi to the same network that your system is connected to, you head over to the Iriun app and open it up. You open it up. So when you open the Iriun app on your second phone, you go to add input. When you click on add input, you click on camera. Then this time around, you are not going to click on Iriun webcam because you already added 1 camera first. This time around, you are going to click on Iriun webcam 2. That's to add a second camera. After clicking on it, you click on OK. Now, doing this will bring you to your second camera. Now you have your second camera on board. Now you can switch in between these 2 cameras at any time while your production is going. This is simply how you can add your phone camera to your phone and film effectively. Instead of breaking the banks to get good camera gears and all of these gadgets, you can simply make use of two good phone cameras and your stream will give you a better result. Hit the share button, like and subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can get more videos from us subsequently. Thank you for